Well, we mentioned keynote speaker Benjamin Crump. If that name sounds familiar, it's because Crump has become one of the premier civil rights attorneys in the country. Tonight, I spoke with Crump about his ongoing pursuit of equality for all.
Since the early 2000s, Benjamin Crump has represented families in civil rights and wrongful death cases. But it was the Trayvon Martin case in 2012 that made him a household name.
You can't see evil and look the other way. And so when God blessed me with this platform that I have, shame on me if I don't use it to speak truth to power for those who have no voice.
For this generation, Crump is what Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., Al Sharpton, and Jesse Jackson have been for generations past.
We always have to stand for what is right, even when it's uncomfortable, even when it's inconvenient, and even when people attack us for it.
As a crusader in the fight for racial equality, Crump is often referred to as Black America's Attorney General. For him, it's somewhat of a blessing, but also a big responsibility to live up to the legacy of those who walked this path before him.
We have to learn to live together and respect one another together, or we will perish as fools. And right now, more than ever, we have to teach our children about respecting diversity.
His hope is to one day see every citizen afforded equality under the law, because for him, liberty and justice for all has to mean something.
We're better than what we saw with George Floyd. We're better with what we saw the execution of Breonna Taylor. We're better with what we saw the lynching of Ahmaud Arbery. Not back in 1940, not back in 1950, but in 2020. We saw these atrocities, and we have to hold a mirror to America's face and say we're better than this, America.
Now, Crump is expected to be back in Columbus to represent the family of Andre Hill, the unarmed black man fatally shot by former Columbus police officer Adam Coy. Coy's trial date is set for April 24th.